Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Video Live. Open the Gemini app, sign in, and tap Live to start a session. First, check camera and mic permissions, then select Public or Private Audience and add a title. Preview your stream with the Preview button, test audio levels, and adjust lighting. When ready, hit Go Live and monitor chat and viewer count while streaming. To get great video and audio, pick the camera that suits your scene and lock exposure if available. Mute noisy apps and use headphones or an external microphone to reduce echo and improve clarity. Adjust audio gain and enable noise suppression if Gemini offers it, then run a short test stream with a friend or private audience to confirm levels. Consistent lighting and steady framing make your live video feel professional and comfy for viewers. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping so you can focus on creating content, not cleaning floors. It even avoids cables while you record. Check the description for the link and other deals. If you like smart helpers, it's worth a look. Now let's get back to the video. Engage your audience by reading chat messages and responding naturally, and call out usernames to make viewers feel seen. Use built-in polls, reactions, and Q&A features to invite participation and keep energy up during the stream. Pin important messages, timestamps, or short links for clarity, and encourage viewers to follow for updates. Schedule short breaks and summarize key points regularly so late joiners can catch up easily.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.